The scope of this video is to provide better details on what API scopes Contreli is using to provide value to its customers. So Contreli is using 5 sensitive API scopes. One is related to emails, one is related to calendar events, 2 scopes related to contacts, either user-specific contacts or other contacts, and one is related to organization's G Suite directory. In the screen that I'm demonstrating right now, you can see a number of analyses that we are doing as part of team analysis. One of them is essentially analyzing a number of emails that are being sent by team members. So here we have CSM names, calendar week, which is essentially a work week during which the CSMs were interacting with their customers, and the number of emails sent out by each of the CSMs. So in order to be able to provide such an analysis, we have to have access to emails. We need to be able also to transform CSM email address into CSM name. And this is essentially being done by requests that are being sent to the G Suite directory API, the names that you see here. Calendar events are essentially used as well in other analysis where we analyze amount of hours which are being invested in interactions with customers. You can see examples here. Those are the names of the customers, and amount of effort which is being measured essentially in hours that is being invested into working with those customers. 2 other scopes which are related to contacts are being used in, for instance, this kind of analysis. Here we demonstrate a short list of contacts which are not registered within the CRM of the organization, of the customer that we're working with. So we obfuscated here the name of the customer to which the contact is belonging, email of the contact, but we do show here in this demo first and last name of the actual contacts that are not registered in the CRM. So what we do essentially, we identify those contacts in interactions, either email interactions or calendar interactions with the customer, and then we turn to contacts API. Both scopes are being used, user-specific contacts and other contacts, and this way we essentially are able to transform contact email address into a first name and last name whenever we find those details in the API calls.